Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export all WhatsApp group contacts to Excel. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Contacts Saver for WhatsApp. This is the extension we need. Click on it and then click Add to Chrome. Once added, make sure to pin the extension to your browser for easy access. Next, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. You don't need to open any specific group at this stage. Just ensure WhatsApp Web is active. Now, click on the pinned Contacts Saver for WhatsApp extension. You'll see options to export to Excel, CSV, or FCard. For this tutorial, we'll export to Excel. You can choose to exclude group admins if you want. Select the group you want to export contacts from. After making your selections, click Export. The extension will start downloading the contact list. Be patient, as this may take a few moments. Once the download is complete, open the Excel file to see your exported contacts. In the Excel file, you'll see the country code, contact names, phone numbers, and an indicator showing if the number is saved in your contacts. And that's it. You've successfully exported all your WhatsApp group contacts to Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.